Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo for the Soundcore P30i truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So in today's video, I'm going to give everyone a fitting demonstration. I'm going to go over how I feel the overall fit and comfort level of these earbuds are, and then I'm going to attempt to give everyone two audio sound sample tests. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and the second one is going to be a sound sample test to the best of my ability. I'm also going to give everyone my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds. Alright, so without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. So starting off here, talking about the overall fit and comfort of these earbuds, giving y'all a quick demonstration of the fit. Now turning to my right, giving y'all a nice shot of the left earbud here. I gotta say the comfort level of these earbuds is top notch. Turning to my left, giving y'all a nice shot of the right earbud here. Again, more of the same. I have to say, in terms of the overall comfort level of these earbuds, it has been top notch. I have easily been able to take these earbuds on workouts or just do regular day-to-day work around my desk and around the house without any issues. I've even been able to wear these earbuds for long extended periods of time with no ear strain and no ear fatigue. So the overall comfort level of these earbuds is top notch in my opinion. That being said, I did decide to go with the stock included earbud tips that came on the earbuds by default. I believe out of the box by default, these earbuds either came with the large or the medium tips on them by default. If I'm not mistaken, I do believe it was the mediums. I decided to stick with those because those gave me the best overall fit. And as I always recommend, you do want to take your time to go through the included earbud tips and get the best overall fit for yourselves, because that will help with the overall comfort level, that will help with the overall sound quality, and that will help with the overall bass, which is very important to the overall experience that you have with truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And if the stock included tips are not good for you, I can also recommend you go out there and get some custom made tips. This way you get the best overall experience. All right. That's very, very important to your experience with the earbuds. But as I've said, using the stock medium tips that came with the earbuds out of the box, the overall fit and comfort level has been top notch in my time with these earbuds. That being said, now let's go ahead and dive into the audio sample test. The first one being a leakage test for everyone. Now, for reference, I do have the earbuds connected up to my Pixel 6a. And I do have the volume set to 100% volume. And also for reference, I am using professional clip-on wireless audio here today. And the microphone is pretty much less than a foot away from my mouth, which is less than a foot away from the earbuds. So any leakage that comes off of the earbuds when we do this leakage test should more than easily be captured by my professional clip-on microphone here. That being said, I do want to apologize. It is like 94 degrees outside today. So if you guys and gals hear the AC kick on and off in the background, there's really nothing that I can do about that. I got to stay cool. I don't want to be toasty and super sweaty while recording these videos. So I do apologize if you guys and gals hear the AC kicking off and on in the background. That also being said, I'll have all the appropriate B-roll thrown up in post. So I'll have all the links to my copyright-free music that I'm using, because I always like to cite the artists that I use, and I always like to show all of my work and keep it straight 100 around here. So everything that's featured in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description. All right, now let's get into this first test. Let's get into this leakage test. So let me go ahead and push play now. And let's see how much leakage comes off of the earbuds and what can be picked up by my microphone. So let me be quiet. There we go. Okay. Real quick leakage test there. That should do it. Let me pause this. Let's rewind this for later. Okay. So you guys and gals, let me know. Was there any leakage coming off of the earbuds? I won't be able to find out until I watch the video back in post. But hopefully there wasn't too much leakage coming off of the earbuds at 100% volume. That being said, before we get into the last audio sound sample test, let me go ahead and give you guys and gals my opinions of the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds. And also, if you would like a close-up of the earbuds, I'll have some B-roll close-ups of the earbuds thrown up in post for y'all to get a nice crispy close-up of the earbuds. All right, so I'll throw that up somewhere in the video, so y'all feel free to check that out. But talking about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds, I have to say Soundcore has done a great job. In terms of the overall sound quality, it is top notch. There is no distortion or popping of any kind at either the high ends of the volume spectrum or the low ends of the volume spectrum. So the overall sound quality on these is top notch. The same too can be said for the overall volume. These earbuds get more than loud enough for me to fully immerse myself in whatever I'm doing with the earbuds and truly drown out my surroundings so I can really enjoy these earbuds. So the overall volume on these is top notch as well. Now jumping over to the all important bass. And as I always say, I am not an audio professional. I am not in the music industry by any means. I am just a self-proclaimed tech head and a lover of all things bass. And I have to say the bass on these is top notch as well. But let me explain. Okay, these earbuds do have a companion application, and inside of that companion application, it does give you the ability to have a custom EQ, so you can fully dial in the sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these exactly the way you would like it. And that is what I did with these earbuds. So I do have my own custom EQ set up. Okay, and that's what I've been using. Now, other than that, okay, I've been using the earbuds in the Soundcore signature sound mode or in the Soundcore bass boosted mode. And without using my custom EQ, I'd have to say the bass on these is just really good. So those are my two ways of explaining the bass. So if you want it to be top notch out of the box, you might not feel as though the bass on this is top notch out of the box. So if you're willing to do some tweaking, you can indeed get some top-notch bass out of these. But if you just want it to be perfect out of the box, then I can't really say it's perfect out of the box. You would have to downgrade it to really good. So that being said, these earbuds are either really good across the board or top-notch across the board if you're willing to do some tinkering and take the time to dial them in. But that's my overall thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds. Now let me go ahead and give y'all an overall leakage test or an overall sound sample to the best of my ability, and then we'll wrap the video up. So let me go ahead and push play, and I'm going to hold up the earbuds to the microphone. Here we go. 1 and 2. And we're going to do this for about 30 seconds, starting now. Okay, that's 30 seconds. Here we go. Let's drop them back in. Okay, and let's push pause. All right, everyone. So this has once again been a fit and sound demo of the Soundcore P30i truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to know where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, or you would like links to all of my other extended coverage on these earbuds, the affiliated links as to where you guys and gals can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description, along with the links to all of my extended coverage as well. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using the affiliated links down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated links, in my opinion, are like a win-win for everyone. All right? Today's video was recorded using a combination of the front and the rear-facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Today's video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using professional wireless audio here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep your feedback respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right.